everyone, and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten program. My name is Dennis Wong and this is lesson number 15. So last lesson we've talked about rests. We've learned about when to pause, for how long to pause. We got a little familiar with the rest symbols. So today we will reinforce that a little bit, and you might have already noticed that my piano is shut today because we will start our first activity here without the keys. We don't need the keys, but we need the piano shut, or we could do this at a table. So we will try to clap the rhythms here on the piano with our rhythm activity board from the kindergarten program for lesson 15. So let's get started. Let's start from here. So we see a big whole note. It gets 4 beats, right? So we're repeating our note values too here. That means we do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a whole rest for 4 beats. That means we take our hands off the table or off the piano and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the first time the first one one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the next one. This gets 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we stay down for 2 and then we take our hands off for a break of 2. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at the last one. We have 1. And then a pause of 1, and then another 1, and a pause of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is how we would count this. Let's try this out again together. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we could repeat this exercise as often as we would like to. And so the important thing is that for the whole note here, as an example, that we stay down for 4 and then we take our hands off for 4 for the first part here. And here we stay down for 2 beats and then we take our hands off again. All right, let's open the piano because for the next paper, for our next sheet music, we will actually need the keys again. So this song is called the Finger Snap Song. And what we will do is either you can snap your finger while the child is playing the song, or the child can do it too, because I think it's kind of fun to do that. We will snap our finger for every pause that we have, okay? Let's take a look at the first part here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1, pause, or snap your finger. Then here, 1 key again, and then we snap again our finger. And then again, 1 here, snap your finger. 1 more note here, snap your finger. We have skips here, finger number 1, 3, 5. So that means we're skipping 2 and 4 because we're playing 1, 3, 5. 1 gets ready on the middle C. Let's try this out. 1, 3, and now from here, this is easy. It just starts from the 5. So finger number 5 on G, it steps all the way down to C. And then we have 3 beats, pauses here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play from here. One more time. Let's repeat this from here to here. That's how far we got so far. So from here. Continue. It was very similar to our beginning here. Actually, it was the same thing. We played C, snapped our finger, E, snapped our finger, G, snapped our finger, G, snapped our finger. So one more time from here. And then we have no pause or rest here. It just goes 5. We skip to 3. So finger number 3 is for E. 5, 3, C, D, and then a very long pause for 4 beats, and it finishes on the C. So let's start from here. Finger number 5 starts on G, skip to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I will play the whole song one more time. And that's it. That is our new song. I hope you guys will enjoy the finger snap song, and I hope you guys will have no trouble practicing the rhythm board with the rest. As always, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I hope to see you guys in lesson number 16. Because in lesson number 16, we will actually play Vivaldi's Spring Song. I hope that most of you guys already know the song, and if not, you will know it by next lesson.